Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-00951 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged in as a user called C#Scott, which is a common user created by me already in SQL Plus editor. So make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. Okay. Now what I am doing, I am creating one cluster called empno underscore cluster. So it contains field called empno. So employee number field. So I created one cluster called empno underscore cluster, which contains field called employee number. Now I am creating one index for that cluster and mapping that index to the cluster emplo underscore cluster. Okay, now let me try to create one table. So this table contains three values: employee number, name and designation. Next I am mapping to the cluster. Okay, empno underscore cluster. Okay, I am mapping this employees table to the empno underscore cluster. Okay, so successfully table created. Okay, now next step, what I am trying to do, I am trying to drop the cluster. Okay, drop cluster empno underscore cluster. Let us see what is going to happen. Enter. Yes, you can see that ORA-00951 cluster not empty error is getting thrown, which means that this cluster is not empty, which means that it is mapped to the some table. Okay, this cluster is mapped to the some table. So so here in SQL developer, I am logging as a user called C#Scott. So let me go to tables, go to employees. So click the details tab. Okay, so click the details tab. So here you can see the cluster mapping. Okay, wait a minute. Yes, you can see that cluster is mapped to this table. Cluster name, see here, cluster name is mapped to this employees table. So what I am doing to fix this ORA-00951 issue, I am typing this SQL statement: drop cluster empno underscore cluster including tables. Okay, so this will drop both the cluster and the tables mapped to the cluster. Select start from employees. See here, table also getting dropped. So this is the fix for ORA-00951 cluster not empty. Okay.